Playing the Matrix by Mike Dooley. Book summary: How to manifest things in your life. Playing the Matrix by Mike Dooley talks in detail about the universe and law of attraction, how to manifest things in your life, and what the right action steps to take are, to easily and consciously create your reality with your thoughts. It teaches about the process on how to make the universe work in your favor, and allow the unlimited help and assistance that you always have. In this video, we will be sharing with you 8 key points learned from playing the Matrix, and helping you discover manifestation techniques that really work. Key point number 1. The key to manifesting is to focus on generating the happy feelings associated with your desires, rather than getting too specific and attaching to details as to how they will happen. When you become more general about your goals and desires, you remove the tendency for doubting and resistance. By going after the feeling, and doing things that make you feel happy and satisfied, with or without direct connection to your desires, you will allow the universe to have more leeway in orchestrating the best path to give you what you want. Instead of constantly trying to figure everything out, and messing with the cursed house, as how Mike Dooley puts it in his book, you leave the details to the hands of the universe, while you take care of maintaining the general feelings of happiness, satisfaction, trust and appreciation. You match your own inner energy with the energy of your desires, so that the specific details can easily flow into your experience. Key point number 2. Release the tendency to judge things and events in your life, based on physical appearances. Being in a reality where there's the concept of time and space, there will be things, events, and people that need to be in alignment first, before you can see tangible evidence of your desires moving for you. Even though sometimes, life seems to be working for others and not you, always know that the universe is working tirelessly in your favor. There are significant movements in your life in the unseen, which in time, will make its way into the visible. In a world where there are billions of co-creators, there is a perfect timing involved in the matching up of cooperative components. Keeping the faith and having patience, as you continuously hold the vision and certainty of your desires, are the key traits to maintaining alignment until they manifest. As you release the tendency to judge, your thoughts will be more aligned with your vision, and will not be clouded by worry, uncertainty and doubt. Key point number 3. What you're thinking and how you're feeling right now, is what you are saying to the universe. Ask, give me more of this please. Thoughts becoming things, is the central concept in all of Mike Dooley's books. This means all the thoughts you are thinking, are sending energy vibrations to the universe, and are continuously gathering more similar energies toward it. Your thoughts are essentially like energetic invitations you send out to the universe, that will eventually attract into your life more of the same. These energies come back to you in the form of experiences, that will generate the same feeling you've been sending out. That's why taking care of the thoughts you habitually entertain in your mind, is of paramount importance in creating pleasing manifestations in your life. You will always get more of the things you dwell upon, think, or talk about to others. Key point number 4. Keeping an open perspective as to how your desires will come about, will release insistence on any specific detail. When you hold the knowing that there are many doors and pathways that the universe can make available for you, to get to where you say you want to go, you will release the tendency to be frustrated on any one door closing, or any pathway being unavailable at the moment. Always remember that what your physical mind can think of right now, is just one way, among hundreds of ways, that the universe can orchestrate for you. Knowing this will remove unnecessary insistence and attachment to any particular happening in your life, because there will always be another one coming, that will be a better match for what you want. There is no end to the good things that can come to you, when you start letting go of any limiting scarcity mindset that you may have, regarding the possibility of your desires. Key point number 5. Taking steps toward what you want, communicates your faith and belief in yourself and in your desire. Mike Dooley has stated many times in his book, how important it is to keep on knocking on doors and turning over stones. It doesn't matter how small the step is, as long as you are making yourself available to the universe by taking small actions or baby steps that feel good to you, you are allowing yourself to be in easy reach to the infinite magic of life. So start doing the things you can do, with what you currently have, from wherever you are in life right now. Key point number 6. You are already worthy, blessed and loved as you are, forevermore. Realize that anything that is happening in your life, is just a temporary event that passes through you, without any effect on who you truly are. You are a divine being, who is naturally inclined for joy, success, love and happiness. These are your default settings. You are more than your circumstances or the events that are happening in your life, which are what Mike Dooley called the illusions of reality. You are greater and bigger than the illusions that the circumstances might represent. Always remembering this will help you move past the temporary contradictions you may encounter along your path, and continue moving forward with confidence, peace and stability in knowing who you really are. Being stable in these feelings of worthiness and blessedness will serve as your solid foundation for easily allowing all of the specific details of your desires to come seamlessly to you, giving you even more proof of how worthy and loved you truly are. Key point number 7. All challenges are gifts that present themselves to you, to help you grow and become more than you were before. All the things that you see as problems are actually stepping stones, to move you higher in your evolution in life. It allows you to learn and remember things that you will eventually need in order to get to where you want to be in the future. And when you make it a perspective to always see challenges as opportunities to better yourself and become more ready, you cultivate optimism and trust, which are essential traits that will allow the improvements in your life faster, and will eliminate holding your desires off. You will be clearing the way for your own manifestations, and making the best of wherever you are. Key point number 8. Today is the best time of your life. Realizing the joy of being where you are now will pave the way for an even better tomorrow. As you continue having a grateful attitude to the things that are currently working in your life, big or small, and as you feel satisfied moving in the direction of your still unfulfilled desires, then you are in the perfect place to be in right now, for pleasing manifestations to occur. The state of incompletion is how being in this life is. It is natural and normal to always be reaching for something more, because this is how the universe continuously expands itself. Stay at peace with being perfectly unfinished, and realize how blessed you are now in this moment of your life. We hope you find these key points very inspiring, enlightening and motivating. For more inspirational messages and videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button, so you'll get notified whenever we publish new content. Thank you for watching.